We have been around since 1983, I believe. Day and Night is an established independent printer located in the Washington, D.C. metro area, and we offer a full range of solutions all the way from traditional office format printing to large format signage, and we also warehouse branded prefabricated products, and that covers extremely large range of products. We also have graphics. We cover almost anything that you can imagine printing wise. Since I've started in the industry, there's been many massive shifts over the time. It's definitely, I see a lot of the smaller printing companies struggling, especially if they don't have their digital footprint ready. The digital footprint has become such an important part of the printing industry. Like, you gotta have it. Otherwise, you're just not gonna be able to survive. So before we onboarded with OnPrintShop, we had 100% of our revenue and orders was taken in offline, and it's helped simplify the workflow. And we've moved from probably over half of our revenue and our orders coming in from OnPrintShop online orders. Definitely been a blessing. It's helped Chris create efficiencies, probably 100% faster at least. Constantly working on improving that digital presence and how our systems interface. And we win when we're able to make our clients' lives easier, give them things, to give them value for their business. And how we're doing that right now is by making sure they can have their brand controlled. I think it was the value of the features that OnPrintShop provides. Often find myself discovering things and I'm like, wow, they've done this. And then I can find a chance to implement it. You know, there's always new features being updated, and it's hard to find something that the platform is unable to do typically. And that gives a lot of value, I believe. The business to business side for us, and offering that control to their brand saves them a lot of time. It controls issues that they might run into otherwise, and it introduces a place that they can still give users the ability to customize their products, but retain, again, that control is important for brand identity. And it's having everything in one place, it's just giving them so much value. It's been very positive with what we've been sharing. A lot of our clients have been pretty amazed about what we've been able to offer. OnPrintShop tool is very powerful. It allows customization.